Teach me your ways, O Lord, your ways, O Lord, make known to me. Teach me your paths, guide me in your truth and teach me, for you are God, my Savior. Teach me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your ways, O Lord. Remember that your compassion, O Lord, and your love are from of old. In your kindness remember me, because of your goodness, O Lord. Teach me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your ways, O Lord. Good and upright is the Lord, thus he shows sinners the way. He guides the humble to justice and teaches